Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make organic sea moss gel. First, select premium, wildcrafted sea moss, ensuring it is free from debris. Next, rinse the dry sea moss thoroughly under cool, running water for several minutes. Then, place the cleaned sea moss in a large bowl and cover it completely with filtered water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 12 hours or even up to 24 hours until it significantly expands and softens. After soaking, drain the sea moss, but remember to save about 1 cup of the soaking water. This water contains beneficial nutrients. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add fresh filtered water, using a general ratio of 1 cup of sea moss to 1.5 cups of water. Blend on high for 1 to 2 minutes, or until a completely smooth, creamy gel forms without any lumps. Once your sea moss gel is perfectly blended, carefully transfer it into a clean, airtight glass jar. It is crucial to store the gel in the refrigerator immediately after preparation to preserve its freshness and potency. When stored correctly, your homemade sea moss gel will remain good for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Freezing is not recommended, as it can significantly change the gel's texture and reduce its effectiveness. This versatile sea moss gel can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons into your morning smoothie, juice, or even a cup of tea. Beyond internal use, it makes an excellent topical treatment. Apply it as a hydrating face mask or a nourishing hair conditioner. Sea moss is packed with 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs, supporting digestion, boosting immunity, and promoting radiant skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.